Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Robinhood's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Robinhood, firstly open your Robinhood application. The official page of Robinhood will appear on the screen. Click on Login option on the bottom left corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your email address as well as password associated with your Robinhood's account. After entering your email address as well as password, click on Login. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. On the next page, set your PIN code, and that is how you can log into your Robinhood's account quickly and easily just in few steps. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.